Hello, I hope you're well. In this video, I'm going to show you a room tour of Protea Hotel in Mafikeng, right? So this is room 322, which is it's at the corner of the house, but I'm going to show you when I'm going outside. So I'm going to show you the room, how it looks like. I'm going to show you the bathroom. I'm going to show you the restaurant. I'm going to show you the reception area, and there's also a swimming pool here, but there's no gym. So that is what I'm going to show you in this video. Let's get started. Okay, just a quick one. So this is how the bedroom looks like. So you enter from behind me. You have your wardrobe here. In your wardrobe you have a safe, you have all the space, you have hangers, and then you have 2 blankets, but you don't have an iron. Going to the actual bedroom, so this is your bedroom. This is how it looks like. So right over here you have your mirror, you have your router, your aircon obviously, and Mafikeng, guys, is packed with history. You can learn a lot about Mafikeng. It's packed with history, so we have Soul Plagi over there, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that's Soul Plagi, who was one of Africa's intellectuals. Then we have this double bed. We have this big double bed. We have that, I don't know if that is a chair or what, Then you have your lamp light. You have your working station over there, and then this is what you get: 2 milks, tea, coffee, and sachets of sugar, 2 cups, 1 glass, and bottle of water, and then your kettle. You then get these are not extras. And then you have a mini fridge here. You can put your juice and your other things and your fruit. Then this is the view that you get. This is the view that you get. So that is it for the bedroom. Now let's go to the bathroom, which is back there. This is the bathroom. You get in. You have your sink. Okay. And you have your mirror over there. You have your towel. You have your glass for water. You have a mini soap and a shower cap. Sorry about that. You have a mini soap and a shower cap, and you have a body lotion. You have these twin saver tissues. Coming this side, you also have a bathtub. You have that white towel there, and those 3 towels. I don't know why there's always too many towels. And then you get your toilet here, and then that is my favorite one, a shower. So that is the bathroom. That is how it looks like. So this is the reception, and look at all these beautiful books. So that's the reception down there, and over this side, that's your restaurant. That's your restaurant over there. So here is the swimming pool. First, before showing you the swimming pool, these are the conference venues. I don't know what they look like because we have not been here. So this is how the swimming pool looks like. Swimming pool over there, restaurant over this side, and then these are your chairs. And those are the rooms. And another thing that I have noticed is that this place has vintage looks, right? So they maintain that vintage style, and I like it. Other people don't like it as much. Some of my colleagues, they don't like it as much, but I think I like how it looks like, So yeah, That is it.